Is your iPhone screen going back during calls? This can be inconvenient when you're trying to manage a call. Here's how to fix the issue of your iPhone screen going black during calls. Check your proximity sensor whether it's working or not. Open App Store, tap Search, type Checks by Device, install this app, tap Open. From here, find out Proximity Sensor, open this app. Try to cover your sensor by using your hand and check your issues. Now, if you have issues here, then either your screen protector has some issues or it is a hardware issue. To solve it, follow the following solution. Solution 1. Clean the proximity sensor. The proximity sensor located near the top of your iPhone screen might be obstructed or dirty. Gently clean the area around the sensor with a soft, dry cloth. Test the phone to see if the screen stays on during calls. Solution 3. Check for screen protector or a case interface. Sometimes a screen protector or a case can interfere with the proximity sensor. Remove any screen protector or a case and test if the screen issue is resolved. Or update iOS. Open Settings, scroll down and tap General, tap Software Update. If an update is available, tap Download and Install. Follow the on-screen instructions to update your iPhone. Check if the screen issue is fixed after updating. This is how you can fix the iPhone screen going back during calls. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching.